G'day comrade subscribers. So, continues. I printed out the keyboard and went through and checked what keys weren't working, and there was no real rhyme or reason, as they say. I checked the continuity and there doesn't seem to be any cracks. They seem to be okay. So one thing I noticed maybe that causing the problem is that they did originally have some tape. So I thought the tape was like that, holding the three pieces of the membrane together, but it was actually, I see now, there's a tape residue there. So it was actually holding the membrane to this bottom metal base plate. So I'm putting some more Krapton tape on to hold the membrane in place. And when I have tested it, just connected up by this, it's actually working. So let me set it up. Okay, I've got it powered on. Actually, did someone say the color was wrong? Yeah, I think maybe the color's supposed to be wrong as well. That's something else I need to look at. But if I go to, say, basic, what is it, that one? Go to basic, I'm just trying to, okay. And I press the keys. So that's the function row, that's the number keys. So this is your AZERTY. It's working. So there's no problem with the membrane. It's just maybe the these springs were just slightly off, so it wasn't registering the key press. But the key press is pretty good. So yeah, try taping that down and seeing if that fixes it. Now before I put this back together, so I've got all the Krapton tape on. JOS, I think that's right, JOS, pronounce that right, pointed out that the caps lock LED, there is actually a little compartment for it right there. So I think the LED sticks in there, in that hole, and then the two rubber bits that make contact go into those two holes there. So they will make contact here and then light up. The problem is, yeah, I'm missing that rubber bit there that pressed down on that. So I don't know what that was. That was this here. And so maybe this kind of needs to be, yeah, this needs to be pressed down the whole time perhaps to give it power, maybe. So that's what that's there for. Because otherwise, oh yeah, otherwise this is isolated. So even if I put this on, it's not going to light up because this obviously needs to be connected to here to finish the circuit. So I'm going to have to find something small that'll fit into that hole to push down on that. Otherwise, what I can do is I can use a bit of silver paint underneath and then kind of stick it down together so that they're always connected. I might actually do that. Take this tape off because I left that off the corner, put some silver paint under there and hold it together. Might do that. There we go. So big thanks to JOS for pointing that out. Yeah, now I need just to sort out that one there. But like I said, I will probably just open this up and put some silver paint under there and kind of glue it together, I think, because it's always going to be, hopefully I won't have to pull this membrane apart again. So that's the plan. Right, so here's the silver conducting silver I used to fix the keyboard membrane on the TO7. I just need to shake it up. Probably a bit more. And then just paint it on. So that's the point there. So I've measured, when this is pressed down, there's about 53 ohms, well, 53 ohms impedance comes up to the third one there. So I should just be able to, I was thinking, that's the top membrane. Basically just dab some conductive on there and hold it down. That's the idea. Let's see how it goes in practice. Little art toothbrush, paintbrush. Get out of the way. That's the idea, is that it will kind of stick together, thereby keeping the circuit on all the time, which is what that rubber was supposed to do. As long as it doesn't run everywhere. I'll just dab it down like that and see how that goes. And hopefully the keyboard's working. Next thing we'll be trying to load some software. I found some disk images, so try and convert the disk image to a floppy disk and yeah, see if it'll work. But yeah, that colour as well, yeah, it's not supposed to be green and yellow apparently. I think from the first video someone commented. Anyway, right, I think I'm all set to go. Power on. Oh, start recording. Start recording. Sorry, dead air. Sorry. Dead air. Start recording. Okay, power on. Alright, so I should be able to do shift 1. Hey! Right. AZT. Yes, it's now working. IP. Looks good. Excellent. Yeah, no, all good. Yeah, again, I'm not sure about the colour. The only issue I have is that the enter key, if you don't hit it just right, yeah, you got to hit it right on the centre. So I don't know, get stuck that way. Yeah, but it seems to be working. That's all very good. Reset. So yeah, I'm not sure about the colour. I don't have any software I can load yet, so that's something I'll have to work on. Stop recording, and I'll show you the caps lock. Okay, the caps lock. Oh, turn the power on. So it is working. Very faintly. The problem is I might need to put more of that silver, because when I measured the impedance when that little button beside it was pushed out, it was about 50 ohms, and when I put on like a couple of little dabs of the silver, it was 800 ohms. So I think it's probably a bit too much hit impedance at the moment, and then it goes off again. Yeah, so that's something I have to work on, I think. The other thing is this enter key. If we have a look at the enter key. So, yeah, you've got to kind of push it. Sorry, I've been in the dirt again today. So if you push it here, get stuck. Push it there, it kind of works. You've got to get it right in the center. So I don't know if lubrication will help it any. Yeah, that's the only annoying thing. You just got to remember to push it right in the center. Otherwise, I think it's all ready to go once I get some software. So, let's see. Bye for now. Actually, before we go, I don't know if this works. I'll give it a try. See if the drive works. So let me just get the... sorry, dead air again. My Great Movie. That's powered on. Alright, let's start. Alright, start recording. Okay, power machine on. Put the floppy disk in. Okay. Alright, now it's in. I guess it's option 5 we want. So, disk 0. Okay. It doesn't support it yet, probably because I think it's DOS format. So, initialize. Okay. Nom de la nouvelle disquette. Name for the new diskette. Test 1. Whoop, test star, of course. Delete. Shift. Delete. No. What was delete? I'll just do that. Test. Shift 0 1. Okay. See if the drive works. See if the disk works. Bit noisy, but so far it seems to be formatting. Okay, sorry, dead air. Apologies for that. Okay. Cool. Done. Backup catalog, so there won't be anything on it. Ecran imprimante. No idea, mate. What's escape? How do I escape? How do I escape? Is it Raz? No. I just want to keep pressing this button up here to escape. I don't know. Enter, return, catalog. Oh, I'm stuck now. Okay, restart. Okay, so if we go into basic. Alright, got to do 10 print. Test. And no, test 3, no. There we go. So, okay. 20 go to 10. Why is... Oh, I don't know. What's that going to look like when you list it? Okay. 20 go to... Just use the number pad. Just use the number pad. Okay, I think finally. Right. Okay. Oh, stop. Maybe that's what the escape is. Stop. Control stop. Shift stop. Okay, shift stop. Okay, so can I just... Do I have to specify disk? Or can I just save... Can I just save it? Will it go straight to disk? Yep, okay. Alright, so what's the directory on here? Is it catalog? Oh, there we go. Cool, test. Alright, so reset. Oh, so if I go into here, disk 0, I don't know what the disk 4 means, but anyway. Okay, back up. Alright, cool. Raz. What does Raz? So, Raz is exit, maybe? Alright, so how do I go back to the... Okay, stop. Alright, I'm getting there. Okay, so let's go back into basic. And what was it? It was dir, wasn't it? Yeah. Cool. All right. Load. Test. Cool. All right. Cool. So it looks like the disk drive's working, and I've got a floppy disk in there. So it's just a matter of trying to get software onto here now. So I've ordered the Mega ROM T.2 or something that's got all the software, but I do actually have some Memo 7 cartridges that I've made up. I tried it on the TO7, but I wasn't too happy, so I might see if I can do a TO8 cartridge on here in the next video. But otherwise, so far we're going good, apart from the colour. So I don't know still if the colour is correct or not. Let me know. Bye for now, definitely.